Hi guys, Johan from Shop and Dapper here, and today I wanted to chat to you about slow fashion really. I received an email last week from a customer who said that he bought his shirt stays back in, I think it was June 2014, and he loves his shirt stays, he still wears them, but unfortunately this little black rubber bit has started to become faulty. And he wondered if there was a way that he could purchase just this little black rubber bit and exchange them so he can continue wearing his shirt stays, which is something that I absolutely love. If it's not faulty, the whole thing, if you only need to change out this little black rubber bit, do it. It's good for the environment, it's better for your economy, and it makes me really happy. So if you're a customer of mine previously, you will be able to go online and find just this little black rubber bit. It will be amongst the shirt stays on my website. They come very cheap, so instead of paying about £20-25 for a set of shirt stays, they're going to, depending on where you live, it's going to be around £2-3 plus postage. They only come in a letter, so the postage is not going to be very expensive. Alright guys, I'm also going to make a little video on how you remove the old ones and attach the new ones, so stay tuned. Have a great day.